Although there are a couple of thunderstorms over parts of the Gulf and there's a little tropical wave south of the Cape Verde Islands, none of those are showing any signs of tropical development. Models say no, and the Hurricane Center also agrees, no development out here over the next 5 days. One of the reasons has been the dust coming off the west coast of Africa. That's dry, sinking air, exactly the opposite what you need to get storms forming over the open Atlantic. But also sea surface temperatures here have been running a little below normal in the central Atlantic, and that may also be putting a damper on some of the tropical development. As far as our rain chances go, I think that actually is on the increase for the next couple of days. This is Wednesday afternoon, a little bit more in the way of scattered shower and thunderstorm activity as the sea breeze comes in the afternoon. It all fizzles out as we lose the heat of the day. Thursday, another chance for scattered showers and maybe a couple of thunderstorms, a little more than we've had. What I've done is bumped rain chances up to 40% for Wednesday, high temp 97 above the normal of 95. The extended forecast, 40% rain chance again on Thursday, then at least a 30% chance Friday and Saturday.